How to turn off lock screen on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you in just few steps how you can turn off your lock screen for your Android device. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your settings application from your device. At this page, scroll below. Here you will see the option of lock screen. Tap open it. As you can see that now I have my lock screen set as pen, face and fingerprints. In case you would like to turn it off, simply tap on screen lock type, enter your PIN. It will open up your lock screen type. Here simply click on to none, then tap on remove data. Also be noted that your biometrics will be removed for your security, and in case you are using biometrics authentication in apps, that will be removed as well. If you would still like to continue, then tap on remove data. And now you can go ahead and lock your screen, and you don't have to enter your lock screen PIN or sensor in order to get into your home screen. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.